Just wanted to show a new design that I made for the air cleaner in a box. These boxes are sold at Daiso actually for 2,000 won for the actual box. The fan, which is a Kumgang KB-150, that was sold for about 9,000 won online plus delivery. There's a cord here coming through, and I had to buy an end plug, of course, and stick that on the cord as well. But let's take a look inside quickly. Inside, very simply, just cut the fan to fit through there. And very importantly, you can pull this plastic part off and flip it around, which I did. I flipped it around so the air blows out the top. But also I have a filter in here. This is simply a GM car, Daewoo Lacetti, filter number 6255, I believe. You can also buy 5255. This one was 10,000 won. The 5255 has no black carbon in it, and that is about 5,000 won, 5,000 won. And simply down here there's a hole cut, and with some door insulation foam around to kind of seal it in somewhat. Very simply, that then just fits in the hole, goes on top. Just cut it to fit, leaving some space for the insulation, and so that can kind of ride on top. And then, if I can do this one-handed, I apologize. This fits on top, and that kind of presses the circular part of the fan down into the filter a little bit. It's just the right size, so that it creates a suction, and then you plug it in, and the air blows out gets sucked in at the bottom. You can see I put some little cable holders as feet, which I stuck on there. But then there's the filter on the other side, the holes cut here. And you can see where the insulation kind of seals around it, right? And then the air gets sucked through the bottom. It's important to have these little feet on the bottom to allow for some space down here for the air to go through, up and in, and blows through the filter and out the top. This whole thing cost about 25,000 won to make. And again, replacement filters, which I replace about every 3 to 5 months, they will go for approximately 5,000 to 10,000 won. So very cheap. This will work in a room that's about 3 meters by 3 meters. So a bedroom or small bedroom or a one-room apartment. This will help your air stay clean and will do a good job for you very inexpensively. So don't buy a big expensive air cleaner if you don't have to. These are also great helper fans if you have a larger house and you have a store-bought air cleaner and you want something for the bedrooms individually. You can make these for your bedrooms. Very cheap to maintain, and they will keep your bedroom clean. And several air purifiers in the house do a much better job than just one sitting at one end of the house. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck.